So we've added in our kind of Bootstrap theme and look and feel, and but what we want to do now is we actually want to write our own custom CSS. So what I need to do is at the very top level, what I want to do is I want to create a new directory called static. Inside of that directory, I want to create a new directory called CSS. And then inside of there, I'm going to create a new file called styles.css. So what I need to do then is I need to link to that style sheet. So what I'm going to use is I'm going to use a static tag, and then I'm going to have some quotations that say CSS / styles.css. And what I need to do is above the head is I need to create a template tag that says load static or load static files. And this will basically tell Django that first of all we need to load static, the static files, which will allow us to use the static URL, which will then tell us to will tell Django where our static directory lives, or where the file that we're looking for is. In our settings also we have a static URL setting, but under that we also need to create a static files_dirs list. So this is a list of directories where static files can potentially live. So I'm going to say os.path.join. I'm going to say base that was supposed to be dir, and then the second argument will be static. I can go ahead now and refresh this, and I will get an error because I used base URL instead of base dir. Fix that now. Grab it from the top just to be on the safe side. Okay, I can paste that in. And now I can try run my application again. Okay, everything seems to be working. So now what I need to do is I just need to start applying some styles. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create a style to lessen the width of the form. So I'm going to say form, and I'm going to give it a width of 50%. So when I refresh this form, then I will see that the width has now dropped to 50% of the web page.